Hey guys, Gary with Automatic Door and Hardware. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed our Entry Systems Grade 1 commercial door lock on one of our hollow metal doors. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it helps on your next installation. Okay guys, so here's our hollow metal door. I'm actually in the process of, it's a pre-hung door package one of our clients needs. So I'm in the process of assembling it, but here you can see it's already prepped. This is our Entry Systems Grade 1 commercial door lock. And I'm going to show you guys today how to assemble it. So the first thing you want to do is always make sure you're orientated the correct direction. You can see the latch bolt needs to hit the striker on the ramp side. If it doesn't, then it won't latch properly. So I'm just making sure everything's lined up and kind of just holding the hardware up and lining everything up to ensure that I'm going to be installing it for the correct hand of the door. And then here's the latch bolt. So I'm showing you guys kind of how it slips in there and how it engages with the lock chassis. So you can see it slide in there, and then I turn the handle and it goes. So this is the entrance function. You can see it has that push button sort of thumb turn, and then on the outside it has the key cylinder. So I'm just showing you guys the orientation it'll assemble in, and then we're going to put it in that door. Now you can see from the size of the handle, it is grade 1. It's a quality commercial door handle. When it comes to security, when it comes to metal doors, you guys don't want to go cheap. There's a lot of stuff out there where it is, you're getting essentially a door with grade 3 hardware. And what is a metal door? It's security, right? So you don't want to go cheap when it comes to, securing your building. So here I'm lining it up. And because he purchased from us this hollow metal door package, you can see it's perfectly prepped for the Entry Systems Grade 1 lock set. You can see it has the post holes for the lock, and it also has the cutaway for the tabs on the trim plate so that the lock can't twist. So it's very good. It does still take some finagling to get in there, obviously. If you do these all the time, you'll get used to it. But yeah, you just want everything to line up good, especially when the tolerances are so high. So here you can see I put the trim plate on, lines up, and then I'm kind of showing you sort of the next step here. I put this on as well. Again, you want to make sure you line up with those holes on the with the through posts. And then I show you also the keyway, or the keyway on the inside of that handle, and it has to line up there. That's kind of sort of how it assembles, generally speaking. And here I'm lining it up. It does go in a certain way. You'll know when you're lined up because it will be sitting flush against the door, and you won't have any gaps with the trim plate. But yeah, you do have to make sure you're lined up, and having those tabs so that the trim plate can't twist are crucial. It really helps. So there I'm lined up there. Now I can take my provided screws and tighten them into those through posts, and then it will hold the lock assembly in there. So here you can see I'm tightening those up. And this is our Gladiator hollow metal steel door. So super quality commercial steel door, made in USA. This is 18 gauge with a polystyrene core. A lot of doors out there are running the honeycomb cardboard core. Over time you get a lot of rattling when you use the door, and they're just lower grade doors. But this door package is really nice. It's going to work out great for the client there. So we're tightening that up. And then here we go. I'm looking at the latch bolt. And I'm going to attach the screws for the latch bolt faceplate that will secure into the hollow metal door. And again, that's all been prepped already, so it makes it easy. And again, when you get our doors, we have UL listed hardware. You can't say it enough, guys. You got to be careful out there when it comes to these commercial door locks and hardware. They're securing your building, and they're also life safety hardware, so you got to be very, very careful. This is UL listed commercial grade door lock. What I'm seeing a lot lately is you get a lot of different hardware out there that is actually shipping directly from overseas, believe it or not. And it has certain labels, but when you actually dig into it, they're not really legitimate certification labels. They're fakes. So you just got to be careful on what you're putting on in your building, because obviously you don't want to fail any sort of inspection, nor put in hardware that can cause danger. You know what I mean? Like I said, a lot of this stuff is life safety hardware. So you got the safety aspect and the security aspect. But after I tighten those up, what I'm going to do now is put the rose trim on. There is a tab on the bottom of that. You just want to make sure you're lined up. I end up always still playing with it and sort of twisting it. You'll tell because it will seat flush with the door and it won't come off once it's twisted on there. So you just got to play with it. And eventually I do get it. You can see I'm still lining it up. You can see the tab there. And then the cutaway there. So I do line it up, and when you press down, then you should be able to twist. So it does take a little bit of playing. I push it down, then I twist. And it looks like I got it there. There we go. And then finally the handle. Obviously, it lines up with that keyway there. So you just want to make sure that you're sliding it on there and push it on. And then you can test it out, and there you have it. Now, every lock does come with a strike plate. So here's what we call the ASA strike plate. See, there's 2 screws for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my door frame. There's a 16 gauge welded hollow metal frame here. And I'm going to identify the ASA strike prep, and we're going to install that strike plate. So here's the frame itself, and then there's that prep for the strike plate. And then, you just want the ramp side on the exterior side so that the latch bolt can strike it and then lock in. So then I'm just attaching it with these screws. So if you guys need complete commercial doors, whether they be storefront, hollow metal, or wood, we have them at Automatic Door and Hardware. And like I say, we don't cut corners when it comes to our doors or our hardware. Our packages feature grade 1 hardware that's compliant and certified. And we're located here in Texas, so all of our doors are made in the USA as well. Like I say, you get what you pay for, and when it comes to the doors and security, you really don't want to mess around. So here you can see I'm tightening that up. There we go. And then that strike plate's in. If you remove the sticker, it's a, I believe it's US 32D satin stainless steel finish. Might be US 26D satin chrome. But regardless, it looks good. And then there you have it. So that's installed. That's a grade 1 lever handle. Everything is installed for ADA compliance and quality commercial door hardware with all labels and certification. So you'll be able to put this in your commercial door or your commercial building without any fear of failing inspection from, inferior hardware or non-compliant hardware or a non-compliant door system. I hope this helps, guys. These are grade 1 entrance lock, all available at autodoorandhardware.com. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, so that wraps up the video. I hope it helped. All of these commercial door locks, the Entry Systems door product line, as well as OEM product lines like Schlage or Falcon or anything like that, are available at autodoorandhardware.com. I'll put a link down below. If you guys need help ordering commercial door locks, like if you're looking to replace them or just add them to an existing door, give us a call, text us, send us photos, email us. We're more than happy to help. And again, all this is available at autodoorandhardware.com. If you guys are in the market for commercial doors, I'll put a link to our door builder below where you can literally build your own door. We'll quote you in 24 hours. And then we'll also link you some of our pre-configured commercial doors. We pretty much sell all the different types of commercial doors. It's all available at autodoorandhardware.com. Thanks for watching, guys.